We have mentioned a few indicators in previous lessons, but did you know there are hundreds more available? Let's take a look at what is on offer and use a specific example to show you how to download, set up, and use one called Spread Indicator. Below your price chart in MT4, in the terminal, click on Codebase. This is a list of hundreds of special indicators designed to help you trade. I just want to take a look at one of them to get you used to exploring these special indicators. Enlarge the terminal by dragging the upper boundary and click Name to organize the list alphabetically. Scroll down until you find Spread Indicator and highlight it. Right-click on it and select Download. The download is almost instant as the Properties box pops up. Ensure that Allow DLL Imports and Allow External Export Imports are ticked and click OK. We can now see the red text in the upper left corner indicating the spreads on Aussie dollar as 0.7 pips. This is great until we want to activate one-click trading, which occupies the same corner. So, how can we fix this? In your MT4 Navigator, expand the Indicators folder. Anything you download will be in Downloads, so right-click on Spread Indicator and click Modify. This opens a separate program called Meta-Editor. Don't be intimidated, you won't need to learn how to code a new language. To change the location of the indicator, scroll down until you see the word Corner. MT4 calls the top left corner 0, the top right corner 1, bottom left 2, etc. So let's change this to 1. Click Compile to save the changes and close Meta-Editor. That's better. It's now in the top right corner, but there's a space above it. Go back to Meta-Editor and change the Y distance to 0. Compile and close. Not all custom indicators are this easy to modify, but you may need to tweak a few more things. There are literally hundreds of indicators available for your MT4 platform. Okay, to put Spread Indicator to work, let's see what happens to spreads during a news event. You will note that the spreads on these charts show Euro-Dollar at 1.4 pips, Dollar-Yen at 1.8 pips, and Cable at 2.0 pips. As the news event breaks, liquidity dries up and prices go wild to the point where the spreads are suddenly 7, 9, and 15 pips respectively. And the gap between the bid and ask lines is huge. These conditions make it dangerous to trade, and a simple indicator like this is of great help. To review, in this lesson we covered looking for custom indicators for MT4, downloading and modifying them, and monitoring spreads. In our next lesson, we will look at expert advisors.